The first step is we are boiling water. Let me just check if it has come to a boil. Yes, it's also almost there. Ami, ek minute, and just keep it. And we have soaked these rice for 2 to 3 hours, and we will add this soaked rice in this water once it comes to a nice hot boiling point. So for the rice, I must tell we have used Sela rice. In Old Delhi, normally people make biryani with Sela, but when it comes to pilaus, it's always basmati. But Old Delhi people prefer Sela rice. It's easy to cook. That's one thing. But it has a good shelf life also, and it always it never sticks. बहुत खिला खिला बनता है, बहुत खूबसूरत आपकी बिरयानी लगती है. Water is still to come to a roaring boil. Let's add some whole spices. That's 3-4 cardamoms. These are all the aromatic spices. So now we are adding some cloves to it. Give me some bay leaf. So these are bay leaf, some cinnamon sticks, that's enough, some mace, and star anise. Let's add salt to it. Almost 7 to 8 tablespoons. You can increase the salt because this water will be strained. So we want the flavor of salt to come in the water, very light flavor. But if you see, we are cooking only hardly 1 kg of rice, but the salt is 6 to 7 spoons. So, but this water would be strained, and we will use the rice with the chicken when we cook. Let me check whether the water is boiling or not. Yes, it's perfect. Let me add rice to it. Let the rice cook to doneness. We'll cook around 70 to 80%, then we'll strain it, and then we'll layer it finally with the chicken. So in the meanwhile it is boiling, let's get its chicken ready. Now we'll add some oil to it. Add 2 ladles. Now we'll add, let it heat. Now we'll add some whole spices to it again. Some cloves, some elaichis, green cardamoms. Now a bit of cinnamon stick and 2 small bay leaves. Once it comes to a bit boil, we'll saute them. After that, we'll add the ginger garlic paste. This is the maximum flame actually. Now it is crackling, so we'll add the ginger garlic paste to it. Now we will again saute it. Now it is almost there. We will add 1 kg of chicken. We have taken boneless chicken. Now we will heat it till the time the chicken changes its color.
5-7 minutes.
Almost 5 to 7 minutes. In the meanwhile, we will get the curd and the saffron mix ready.
इसमें हाफ टेबल स्पून डाल दें, इसमें नमक डाल दें, इसमें हाफ टेबल स्पून।
नमक में अच्छा है। We are adding a bit, half tablespoon of
अब
salt.
हम इसमें मिलाएंगे सैफरन।
हम मिलाइए। Let me get the whisk. चावल आप देख लो, चावल इज ऑलमोस्ट देयर। कहीं तो नहीं So we'll shift it to more heat on this one, and we'll arrange the chicken pieces on the circumference of the handi. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Yes. Now we'll
चम्मच से डाल।
add this saffron and yogurt just on the chicken pieces.
बस टोटल डल जाए।
Generous amount. Now we'll add some yellow chili powder. हाथ से we'll add the garam masala. This is a mix of aromatic spices like cardamom, green cardamom, mace, cloves and cinnamon. Now we add these green chilies. And a ladle of a bit, almost 1.5 tablespoon of kevda essence water. No water in it, and we'll add it in the chicken. Now we are again we'll add a bit of aromatic spices, half a teaspoon on top.
चावल
Before closing it.
डाल दूँ ये भी।
So we are making a dough to seal the lid. We'll cook it in dum so that the steam doesn't go out, and it will leave it for 15 minutes on dum. It will cook in its own self. The stock in which we cook, we are adding about one cup at least now.
ढक दो इसको।
तेल बाद में डालेंगे ऊपर से। Now we are so till the time it is on dum, let's put some heavy weight on top so that the steam doesn't goes out. Here it is. So for the next 15 minutes we'll leave it as it is. Let me give you a quick recap of the recipe, what we have done. There is a spice mix which we have used. It's the aromatic spice. It's a mixture of nutmeg, cinnamon, mace, around 2 to 3 nutmegs, around 5 to 6 pods of mace, some 2 star anise, around about 15-20 green cardamoms, and around 15 odd cloves. And we have grinded in a mixie and a jar, and that's the powder which we have used as a biryani masala to bring the fragrance in the biryani. Rest is simple. We have cooked it in the procedure. We have used refined oil. You know, biryani is one of, I consider it is a very healthy recipe. It has got a good proportion of proteins. We have used chicken. It's the best source of white protein which we could use. It's a chicken biryani. There's a combination of good carbs and healthy vegetable oil. So it's a very healthy combination of a balanced diet, which I can say. So now 15 minutes are almost through. We'll remove the weight. And now you're not here, but I can smell it. Let me just check. Is there any water? It comes clean, perfect. So now we are adding some oil. Heat it and we'll add it on top.
ज़्यादा ऑयल अच्छा नहीं है, ठीक।
So when it heats, we'll add it on top so that the rice on top doesn't stay dry. It gives it a nice moisture to the rice and flavor. Now we'll add the saffron water. Earlier we used saffron and curd together, but this time it's only saffron. That's a technique by pouring it with a ladle, making space and adding it. Now adding some kevra water for the fragrance.
ना वो पोंछ दो इसकी डंडी ना।
adding almost
बस
1 tablespoon. Now it's the time, final time to open it and mix it and plate it. Now it's time to plate the biryani.
तुम हाथ में पकड़ लो सब डिश मुझे
Now it is being plated, and let's just take this to the table.